Hello everyone. RRB Group D PYQ questions. If a plus 1 by a is equal to 5, then aq 1 by a cube is equal to question mark. Here we need you need to find the a cube plus 1 by a cube on both sides. We get a plus 1 by 1 by a whole cube is equal to 5 cube. Expanding the left hand side using the identity x plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 times of x plus 1 by x is equal to a plus 1 by a whole cube is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. Thus the equation becomes, when you cube the 5, we get 125. A cube plus 1 by a cube. In place of a plus 1 by a, put the value of 5. We get a cube cancel. Shift 15 to the left hand side. We get 125 minus 15. Therefore, we get a cube plus 1 by a cube value is 110. First, you have to find a cube plus 1 by a cube. You have to cube on both sides, and using the identity x plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 times of x plus 1 by x. We get this formula, and a plus 1 in place of a plus 1 by a, put the value of 5. 3 5s are 15. A cube cancel. We get 125. Shift shift to the right hand side, we get 125 minus 15, we get 110. Therefore the answer for this question is 110 is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.